Good morning everyone, and today we're diving into the world of LEGO's most valuable and elusive treasures, the top 10 most expensive LEGO minifigures of 2024. Coming in at number 10 is the one and only will.i.am. Released as part of a very unique and ultra rare set, this minifigure has become a collector's item worth a whopping £1,403. Who would have thought will.i.am would be such a valuable addition to the LEGO universe? At number 9 we've got the hilarious Sheriff Deadpool. From 2018's San Diego Comic-Con, with only a few of these floating around, this tongue-in-cheek take on Deadpool is valued at £1,427.42. It's got a cowboy hat and a sheriff badge, and of course his signature sass. Taking the 8th spot is a Star Wars legend, Boba Fett, from the 2003 Cloud City set. This minifigure was the first to have printed arms, and because it was only in that set, was only available in LEGO stores, he's quite rare, coming in at £1,598.75. At number 7 we have Azog, the menacing orc from The Hobbit, found in the Dol Guldur set battle set. This minifigure is highly sought after by Middle-earth fans, currently valued at £1,674.42. Number 6 is for the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle fans, Shadow Leonardo. First appearing at the 2012 San Diego and New York Comic Cons, this guy was limited to 900 copies and even came in a special metal tin in the UK when it was given away in the Entertainer toy stores. His value now sits at an impressive £1,990.25. Number 5 is none other than Darth Vader with a light-up lightsaber. This unique figure from the TIE Fighter and International Toy Fair Nuremberg sets literally light up the list with a value of £2,143.83. You won't find another figure like him in a hurry. In at number 4 is Superman in a sleek black suit from the 2013 San Diego Comic-Con. Limited to only 200 copies, this minifigure has hit the incredible value of £3,102.92. Next up at number 3 we have the Archer himself, Green Arrow from San Diego Comic-Con 2013. Again, only 200 of these were made, making it his first minifigure ever, and now valued at a massive £5,615. Our runner-up spot belongs to the iconic Spider-Woman, also from San Diego Comic-Con 2013. This minifigure is incredibly rare and her value has skyrocketed to £5,862.50. And finally, the number 1 most expensive LEGO minifigure of 2024 is Spider-Man with red lower legs from San Diego Comic-Con 2013. This iconic web slinger is one of the very first San Diego Comic-Con exclusives to come with a blister pack. This figure is valued at a jaw-dropping £7,479.17, an absolute legend in the LEGO collecting community. And there you have it folks, the top 10 most expensive LEGO minifigures of 2024. Which one surprised you the most? Do you have any of these in your collection? Let me know in the comment section down below, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a most wonderful day. Bye!